Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponers. So today I'm here with the Smartsource preview for August the 12th of 2018. This is the only insert we're getting this week. So if you're like me and you cut out every coupon and file it in a binder or a box or whatever, you've probably been getting worn out because the last 2 weeks we've been getting like 4 to 5 inserts. So it'd be kind of nice to only have one insert to cut up this week. Let me know in the comments if you feel the same way. And also, I have really enjoyed doing these polls lately on my videos. So let me know in the comments below. I find this really interesting to talk about. What method do you organize your coupons? Do you do the coupon binder? Do you do the coupon box? Do you do the whole insert? Do you not really have any organization right now at all? Let me know in the comments, because I really love to hear everyone's opinions on the best way to organize coupons. So you can be totally specific about it, like exactly how you do it, or you can just, be general. But I really love these conversations we've all been having with these little polls I've been doing lately. So yeah, feel free to answer that. And I do also want to give thanks to clip2save.com. They post this preview every week. And if you're like me, and I know many of you are apparently because you watch this, I get this preview up a little bit later because this is when Clip2Save posts the preview. And I know there's other YouTubers who have a list of the coupons that come out and they read them off. For me, I like seeing the picture of the coupons. That's why I really love Clip2Save and appreciate them posting this. Be sure to order your coupons through them because I so totally appreciate them posting this every week. I've been looking at it for like 3 years now. So yeah, really appreciate that. So let's just get into this insert preview. We have 75 cents off of any two Nabisco cookies or crackers. 50 cents on any one Ortega. That's an awesome coupon because the seasonings are like 60 cents or something. 75 cents off of Pirates Booty Snacks. 75 cents on any two Mama Mary's Pizza Crust. $1 on Musselman's Squeezables Applesauce. $1 on any two Musselman's 6-pack or 18-pack 4-ounce cups of applesauce or 4-pack big cups. 75 cents on Dole Can Juice. 50 cents on any 2 cans of Pillsbury Refrigerated Grands or Grands Jr. 50 cents on any Scrubbing Bubbles Toilet Bowl Cleaner. Yeah, that is insane. If you haven't seen my video about Kroger from yesterday, you got to check that out because we can make money on this toilet bowl cleaner this week. So you definitely want that. 75 cents on the bathroom cleaner. $1 off Scrubbing Bubbles Fresh Gel. $1.25 on 2 Shout. 50 cents on 1 Windex. $1 on Downy Wrinkle Release. Look at that. It doesn't expire until December 31st of 2019. That is crazy. $1.50 on Uniball. $1 on any one 5-ounce Blue Diamond Crafted Gourmet Almonds. $2 on any one Blue Diamond Crafted Gourmet Almonds. 75 cents on any one 5-ounce or larger bag or can of Blue Diamond almonds. Wow, that is hard to see. It's $1 on any 2 Dannon Danimal Smoothie 6-packs or 1 Dannon Danimal Squeezables or 1 Danimals Yo Tubes or 1 Dannon Danimal Smoothies 12-pack or 18-pack. That is like a lot of words they got on that one. $1 on any one Bush's Savory Beans, Black Bean Fiesta or other flavors. 50 cents on 1 Hormel Pepperoni product. 50 cents on any one flavor of Nature Valley Granola Bites. 50 cents on any 2 Chex Mix, Muddy Buddies, Popped Bugles, or Gardettos. $1 on 3 General Mills cereal. 35 cents on Kraft Mayo or Miracle Whip. That is like a step down. We usually get 50 cents, so that's kind of weird they made it 35. Then here we have $1 for Kraft Avocado Mayo, and that is actually on sale at Kroger right now for $1.99. So after this dollar coupon, it'd be 99 cents. 75 cents off of 1 Sargento Sweet Balance Breaks. 75 cents on any 1 Sargento Snack Bites. 75 cents when you buy 1 Sargento String Cheese. 75 cents when you buy a Sargento Balance Breaks. $1 on 2 Welch's Fruit Snacks, and Kroger has those on sale for 99 cents. So after this coupon, you're looking at 49 cents for those. And the fruit rolls or fruit yogurt, same thing. Okay, this is another one. $3 off of any 2 You by Kotex tampons. $2 off Motrin. Then we have the liners and the pads. Those are all on sale for $1.49 at Kroger on the mega sale. So you can get even more for free with these coupons. 50 cents on Alberto VO5. 50 cents on any two of the small VO5. $2 on CoverGirl eye product. $1 on CoverGirl product. And I also found this interesting. Amy Stotts pointed this out to me. CoverGirl always was made by P&G, so it was like limit to like coupons or whatever. They are now owned by Cody, which is the ones who, I think that's how you say it, I don't know. They're the ones who makes all those fragrances and stuff. So now it's owned by them, so it doesn't appear there are any limits on those, which is awesome. $2 off CoverGirl face product, $4 off any two CoverGirl products, $1 on 24 cans of Fancy Feast, $2 on any one 3-pound or larger Purina Fancy Feast Gourmet Naturals. That's like $9, so I guess $2 off if you really want it. $1 on Purina Fancy Feast medleys on 10. $2 off any one bag or carton of Purina Beneful grain-free Purina Beneful Select 10 or Purina Beneful Simple Goodness. $2 off any one 12-count or smaller variety pack of Purina Beneful wet dog food. $1 on Airborne. $1 off of Digestive Advantage product, which is really weird. Why does it have pictures of the Digestive Advantage kids? That's a little odd. They didn't put any of the adult ones in there. $3 off of Clairol Temporary Root Touch-Up. $6 off of 2 boxes of Clairol Color Crave. $2 off of Clairol. $3 off of any one Clairol hair color excludes Color Crave. $2 off of any one Rainbow Light product. $3 off of Pain Block 24. Never heard of that. These are Publix coupons. Seriously, if any of y'all have a Publix, you are so lucky. I have seen, let me know that in the comments too if you have a Publix. I have just heard such good things about them. I know they quit doubling coupons or whatever. I actually used to watch, this is kind of weird, but I used to watch videos about Publix, about deals people were getting there. I was always jealous of it. We have $3 off of anyone's Tagament, $2 off of Tagament, $4 off of Zyrtec or children's Zyrtec product. So if any adult Zyrtec 24 to 25 or children's Zyrtec, that doesn't have a count on it. So I wonder if that'd work on the 347 at Walmart. That's a little odd. Speaking of Publix, honestly, I don't see any. There used to be a few Publix YouTubers. I'm not really sure if there are anymore. I don't know. The person I used to watch talk about Publix, they don't really do videos anymore. So I don't know. Maybe Publix isn't as good as it used to be. Anyways, $10 off of adult Zyrtec, $10 off of adult Rhinocort, and that is it for the Smartsource. So yeah, let me know. Feel free to answer those polls that I did about organizing coupons, and if you have a Publix. And be sure to let me know if you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, share it, so other people can see what coupons we're getting this week. And yeah, that is all. Thank you so much for watching.